In this video, I want to show you how to boost your Pi mining rate through lockup. If you open your mining app, you can see a new update in the mining app, which says pioneers can choose to set lockups to boost mining rates. So you can see it is a new update in Pi network. So you can see the current lockup, which is at 180%. So if you want to increase it, to increase your mining rate, for instance, if I click on increase, this will bring this page. Boost your mining rate with 200% lockup. You can create a lockup with an amount equal to 200% of your total migrated Pi to boost your mining rate. Create a lockup now and the boost will go into effect on your next mining section. So if I click on go to lockups, it will request me to download Pi browser. So since I already have Pi browser, let me just minimize this page and open my Pi browser. So this here is my Pi browser. Let me open it. So then for you to do it, you need to open your wallet. Enter your 24 passphrase and click on unlock with passphrase. When it opens your Pi wallet, come to migration. Under migration, you can see lockups. Click on it. Now here you can see create lockup. Click on it. And here is the new lockup creation. Here, create a new lockup with Pi in your wallet. Such Pi will be locked immediately and you will start receiving the corresponding mining boost in the mining app starting your next mining section. This will not affect the lockup configuration on the mining app for your next mainnet migration. Now, if you want to create a new lockup, you can see here it is a new feature and a new update. To create a new lockup, if you look at the current or estimated mining boost rate, if I create a new lockup, this will increase this approximated or estimated boost rate. So for instance, if I want to create a new lockup, I can just click and drag this line. So immediately I do that, you can see there is an adjustment here. So if you want to increase it more, this depends on you. I can increase it more. So you can see the corresponding increase in estimated boost in mining rates. So if you are satisfied with this lockup amount, then you can scroll down and click on create. So you can see create new lockup, review the details below and tap confirm to create the lockup. The lockup cannot be undone and will be locked on the Pi blockchain for the specified duration. So you can see the lockup amount and you can see the duration here. And you can see lockup until you can see the date. And you can see the new estimated resulting boost. And here you can see the transaction fee. If you are satisfied or okay with this lockup amount, then you can now click on confirm to create the new lockup. According to Pi network, creation of this lockup will boost your mining rates. So this is the new updates in Pi network. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.